Hi, in this movie I want to show you my vision of the Audi RSQ5 Sportback, and as you can see it has a characteristic RS style front bumper and front grille, a lot of dark or black elements, a little bit wider wheel arches and bigger wheels. There's also some other small details here and there, but see by yourself. Here you can see it in comparison with the base model. And that's all for now. Tell me what you think about it in the comments. Thanks for watching, please hit the like button and subscribe. See ya!